Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how I made vegan stuffed sweet potatoes with buffalo chickpeas and sauteed spinach. Okay, so these are the ingredients and the spices that I'm gonna be using. So I have chickpeas, I have a buffalo sauce, a lemon, black pepper, salt, cumin, tahini, and olive oil. Okay, so for this recipe, you're going to need 4 sweet potatoes, which I already peeled and sliced and cleaned off, and an air fryer and oven, and you're gonna cut them in half and put them in the air fryer for about 400 degrees for about 15 minutes, or in the oven at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. Okay, so once you've drained your can of chickpeas, you're going to want to either rinse them and then pat them dry with paper towels and take off the extra little white skinny guys. Okay guys, so I put on my cumin and now I'm gonna add a tape. Okay, so once you've added the sauce to your chickpeas, you're gonna put it in your oven or an air fryer lined with aluminum so it doesn't stick. And you're gonna put it in for 15 minutes. Okay, so while the chickpeas are roasting, you're gonna cut your sweet potatoes in half and mash in the insides of them and then start working on your tahini dressing. I also added in some garlic, salt, and pepper, and cooked it until it's completely. So when your spinach is cooked, you make your tahini dressing. You add about a couple of tablespoons of sesame tahini, fresh lemon, salt, pepper, and olive oil. So now that your chickpeas are roasted, okay, so now I'm gonna put my chickpeas in my sweet potatoes, top with tahini, and add spinach. Final result, vegetarian and vegan stuffed
Johnny,
potato,
back to the chips.
and I added avocado and spinach. Okay, so here is the final result.
And this is the end product.
Vegan stuffed sweet potato with buffalo chickpeas, and I added avocado and spinach.